Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo at Parts People, and in this video, we'll outline the steps for completing a part replacement on your Dell PC. Visit our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount.
Remove the screws on the bottom of the laptop. Open the laptop. Using a flat head screwdriver, press in the keyboard latches. The latches are above the Escape key, the F5 and F6 key, the F11 key, and the Delete key. Lift the keyboard and turn it over. Unplug the keyboard cable. Remove the keyboard. Loosen the top palm rest screws. Unplug the palm rest cables. Carefully slide the cable connector up to remove the cable. Carefully lift the palm rest from the laptop. Remove the retaining screw. Slide the optical drive out of the laptop.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.